How to deactivate TikTok account. The very first step is to open your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to deactivate. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account. The option of Deactivate or Delete account will be visible to you. Head over to it. As we're looking forward on how to deactivate your account, click on Deactivate Account. Once again, click on Deactivate. First, you need to verify your account, so click on Continue with Google. Select the Google account that is associated with your TikTok account. Now, when you are actually ready to deactivate your account, click on Deactivate Account. Once again, click on Deactivate. There you go, your account has been deactivated successfully. Your account will be not visible to any other people. And if you want to reactivate your account, all you have to do is do the same process as how you log into your account. So this was for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to deactivate your TikTok account. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.